Hello, everybody. It's Nikisha Raybon, and I will be performing the experiment to make elephant toothpaste. So, I think I have everything I need right here. So, what you need is just an empty plastic bottle. You're going to need hydrogen peroxide. Now, the thing with the hydrogen peroxide, the higher the concentration, the more highly corrosive that the experiment is going to be. But I only have the 3%, so we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. We also have dishwashing liquid, food coloring, yeast, and some warm water. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do, if I have a big bottle, I'm going to add quite a bit to the bottle. I'm going to add some hydrogen peroxide to the bottle. That's about enough. Okay. And then we're going to add a few drops of dishwashing soap to the bottle. Like so. Okay. And then you have your food coloring. So I'm going to add a few drops of food coloring. So I have the green food coloring. And I have the yellow food coloring. You can kind of use whichever kind of food coloring you like for the experiment. It's really not going to hurt. This makes it look pretty. So now I have the warm water, and I'm going to mix it with the yeast packet. Just going to pour that in there. You don't even really need the whole packet, but you want warm water in order for the yeast to rise. So, little known fact. I'm going to mix it up. Make sure you get rid of the clumps in there. Alright, so then just gonna add it to the bottle. Let's see what happens. And it's just slowly rising. There it goes. There it is. And this is what we call elephant toothpaste. So what is going on basically, it is creating an exothermic reaction. And an exothermic reaction, basically a reaction that is created the foam, but it also created heat. So the foam is actually pretty awesome, because each tiny foam bubble is filled with oxygen, and the yeast acts as a helper, otherly known as a catalyst. So it removes the oxygen. It removes the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide, and since it did it very fast, it created lots and lots and lots of bubbles. So, the foam that was produced is basically just water, soap, and oxygen. So, you want to make sure that you do it on a surface that's easily wipeable, easily wipeable, or you may want to just place the bottle or whatever you're working with on a tray, so that way you don't have that big of a mess. But it's pretty cool. All right, well, that is the end of my experiment.